My name is Kamlesh Agarwal. I am CMD of RSL Dicot Private Limited. This company exists since 2001. We are into yarn dyeing, warping, sizing and weaving. In solar energy, we were looking since last 6-7 years, but the rates of the panels were higher and the outgo of installment was higher than the generation every month. I had already installed this solar panels at my residence that were also installed by Environomics, and we have a good experience at my residence. That is why we out of the 3 companies we selected Environomics even for my company out here. This is installation of 325 kilowatts. I find that they are doing a very good job, and we are highly satisfied with their performance.
Hello, I am Vinay Jadhar, Director at Otsuka Pharmaceutical India Private Limited. We are a Japanese multinational. Otsuka is a 100-year-old company who cares for environment. And in 2018, we decided to go in for 0.999 megawatt solar plant, and we shortlisted Envernix out of many other companies that we had. Their service, their design, and the proposal, the way they explained the project to us was something that helped us to have confidence in them. Subsequently, after 2 years, we also invested in another solar power plant of 1.024 megawatt. The way they are servicing their customers is something that will help us to grow in future. And when we have new projects which are going to come up, we would also have Envernix as our vendor to support us. Thank you.
मैं देवेंद्र कुमार शर्मा फ्रॉम आकाश फैशन प्रिंट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। टेक्सटाइल प्रोसेसिंग हमारा यूनिट है। लगभग 2 लाख मीटर पर डे का प्रोडक्शन है। बचत के हिसाब से सोलर डालने का सोचा और कई कंपनियों को बुलाया, लेकिन इतने बड़ा पतरे का काम था, रिस्की काम था, ऊपर जाके फिर सफाई का था, हर साल सफाई कौन करेगा। इन लोगों ने हमको पूरा सेटिस्फेक्शन वगैरह दिया और हमारा बहुत ढंग से इन्होंने काम किया।
My name is Akash Sharma. I am the director of the company Akash Fashion Prints Private Limited. Our company is in existence since 1993. When we thought of installing the solar power projects, we purchased this whole project from Environomics. All the things they took care is of licensing up to installation. So it's like once we pay and we are free. Under the guidance, we feel very confident, and so we have installed a project of 675 kilowatt of solar rooftop project. They help in every aspect. Moreover, the safety railings, the safety norms that they have achieved, like there were lots of competitors. Maybe they might be even lesser in price compared to them, but obviously seeing the safety norms, because a person needs to work there, even they need to work there. So we needed a good safety norms which they have fulfilled, and I think the solar panels and the inverters, everything is very good. We have chosen a right supplier. Their services are very good, and at the same time, if it's a payback of 4 years, I think it financially also we are into a great benefits. I think the solar project is one of the very good projects. Every industry should go ahead with this project and try to install the projects.
हेमंत पटेल, डायरेक्टर स्पेलोटेक्स इंजीनियर्स अहमदाबाद। हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी चलाते हैं और 1989 से हमारा प्रोडक्टिव चल रहा है। 1.5 साल पहले करीब हम लोगों ने प्लान किया कि हमें रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में जाना चाहिए। डिज़ाइन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इंजीनियरिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, मटेरियलॉजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और एग्जीक्यूशन उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया। हमें कहीं भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व होने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी। इन्होंने इवन गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन में जो भी फॉलोअप करना चाहिए वो प्रॉपर फॉलोअप किया। वी आर गेटिंग 100% satisfaction.
My name is Viresh Agarwal. I am from company Raghu Kaushal Textile Private Limited. We are established since 2011, and we are in manufacturing of home textile articles, and we export a lot of articles to Europe and US. We wanted to go in the direction of green energy conservation given to us by Environomics. and given their vast experience, it was a pleasure working with them. They gave us many feedbacks, many design ideas. The execution by them was very smooth. The engineers and the maintenance people from their side also took care for day-to-day cleanliness on the site when they were working. We also have an O&M contract with them for the next 5 years, which gives us a long-lasting assurance that the plant will be working very well post the installation as well. And it was a pleasure working with Parag Bhai and his team.